Hey friends, we're having a music speaker repaired today. You can see the name on your screen right now. It doesn't seem to be working at all. The current consumption is 0. Turning on the switch doesn't turn the speaker on. Let's take the speaker apart. I found 2 more switches. One goes to the backlight, and the other one powers the speaker. Let's try turning it on. Now we'll see how the speaker behaves. Some noise appears and gets louder. Strange behavior. I also noticed that the buttons are broken, so I'd like to check what's going on there first. The power seems to be working properly since the speaker turns on. So I think the problem is somewhere around there. Now I'm going to remove the board. To do this, I'll unscrew all the screws and, on the other side, unscrew the nuts from the variable resistors. They're located under the round plastic knobs. Before I unscrewed the board, I discovered that it was cracked. It was practically broken in half. I need to remove the board. I also found 3 nuts that hold the board in place. I'll unscrew them now. I took out the board and saw that it was covered in some kind of grease. I also saw that part of the case was broken. Now I need to remove the board, clean the grease, and then solder the cracks. Maybe after this procedure it will work. I prepared the repair areas, cleaned them of the green mask, and will solder in these areas. I also found several spots with very poor soldering. I'll get to that job now. The speaker started working. I also checked the Bluetooth and it works. I discovered that 2 LEDs weren't working, the first and second. They don't need to be fixed, but they can be restored. Another thing I noticed was a very loud buzzing sound coming from the power supply area. According to the owner of this speaker, they connected something incorrectly and fried the power supply. They ended up sending it to someone for repairs, and they fixed the speaker. Apparently, they replaced the transformer. Let's try removing the power supply and see what was done there and why the buzzing is so loud. I see they installed a completely different transformer here, much larger than the one that was installed here, which had a toroidal transformer. As far as I understand, the interference is coming from the transformer. I wasn't tasked with replacing this transformer. The owner just wants it to work again. Let's put everything back together. I finally decided to replace the 2 burned out LEDs. I have the same blue ones, and one of the buttons isn't working either. It's no longer tactile. The others work fine, but this one isn't working. So I'll have to replace it. So that leaves 2 LEDs and a button. I replaced the button and now it works fine. Let's reassemble it and try running it. The LED backlight is now fully functional. As you can see, all the LEDs are now lit. Let's test the button by pressing it a few times. Everything works. Now I need to glue the case. I need to glue them in several layers to prevent them from coming off in the future. I also straightened the buttons, as they were crooked from being hit. The speaker is now completely repaired. I replaced 2 LEDs, 1 button, repaired the broken board, and repaired and sealed the housing. I also straightened the top buttons as they were bent. As you can see, the speaker is fully functional. Unfortunately, I can't connect it because I'm filming with my phone. Unfortunately, you can't record and listen to music at the same time. I've already checked all the buttons, and each one works properly. All adjustments also work properly. That completes the repair. I hope the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new videos. Give it a thumbs up. It's motivation to keep filming practical digital equipment repairs for you. See you in the next videos. Until then, friends, bye.